Do you want to sound more professional in English meetings without memorizing complicated grammar? Today, I'll teach you 10 business buzzwords that professionals actually use and exactly how to use them correctly. Buzzwords aren't bad. The problem is when people use them incorrectly. So, in this video, you'll learn simple, natural ways to use them in real business situations. Word 1, leverage. Leverage means use something to your advantage. For example, we should leverage our existing customers. Next, align. Align means to agree or match goals. For example, let's align our priorities. Number 3, on the same page. On the same page means that everyone agrees or understands. For example, let's make sure we're on the same page. Number 4, bandwidth. Bandwidth means your available time or energy. For example, I don't have the bandwidth right now. Number 5, actionable. This word means something you can act on. The example for this would be, we need actionable feedback. Up next at number 6, touch base. Touch base means to make quick contact. For example, let's touch base tomorrow. Number 7, follow up. Follow up means to continue communication. For example, I'll follow up with you later. Number 8, take ownership. To take ownership means to take responsibility. The example for this would be, she takes ownership of her work. Number 9, streamline. Streamline means to make something more efficient. We need to streamline this process. And lastly, number 10, key takeaway. Key takeaway means the most important point. The key takeaway is clear communication. Don't try to use all of these at once. Start with 2 or 3. Use them in your daily work and build from there. That's how you sound natural, not robotic. If you want to speak more confidently in meetings, emails, and presentations, why not check out my lessons at mksenglish.com? The first lesson with me, Mark, is free, and I'll help you use real English in real situations. Thanks again for listening, and I'll see you in the next episode.